Hi, Opa.
Hi, Mom.
How are you?
Good.
How was your day?
Good. Yeah.
So now, I'm having a surprise. What do you think it is?
I don't know.
Why? Guess.
A chocolate?
A chocolate? No.
I don't want to guess anymore.
Yeah, guess something else.
No.
Huh?
No.
No, let me give you a tip. It's a birthday gift. One of the birthday gifts.
A cup?
A cup?
Yeah.
Nope. So now, I don't want you to guess more. There's one gift you are waiting for and you never got it. So it's a gift from your daddy. What do you think it is?
A watch?
A watch? No.
I don't know.
Something you really asked for and then he did not.
A cat?
No, a cat. No, I said no cats in my house. So here is the surprise.
No!
Yeah, here's the surprise. Yeah.
iPhone?
Yes, a pink one. You said an iPhone, a pink one is your favorite.
No way!
Ah,
What a case!
in a case, yes.
Oh my gosh! Can I open it?
Yeah, you can. It's all yours.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
It's iPhone what?
16 plus?
Yes.
Oh my goodness! I can't wait. No way. Ooh, I like it.
You like it?
Look at this! Oh my gosh! Look at this, guys.
Wow.
Oh my god.
What did you tell Daddy?
Excuse me. I'll tell him that I said thank you so much.
Look at the camera.
Oh, okay.
Uh-huh.
I said that I'm gonna say thank you so much for the gift, and I'm only gonna use it as Saturday as it should be because I first have to do my education.